Forgotten username recovery failed on Beanstalk Fix. If your Beanstalk username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume Beanstalk still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Beanstalk now relies on your registered email as the main login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Beanstalk app or website and enter the email link to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from Beanstalk, such as account updates, notifications, or investment alerts. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Many recovery failures happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Beanstalk support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that the forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Beanstalk removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and investments are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Beanstalk account in minutes.